In this video, I'll show you how to play Mostbet game in Nepal. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I'd advise you create a professional Mostbet account. To do that, click on register, choose the phone or email address option or advise the email address. And then you choose your country. Once you choose your country, choose your currency US dollar, fill in your email address and your password. When you come down to the promo code box, you use the promo code Renzo TV. If you use the promo code Renzo TV, Mostbet is going to give you up to 400 US dollars as your first deposit bonus. Once you use the promo code Renzo TV, click on confirm. Once that is confirmed, the promo code is going to be applied. Fill in every other detail and then click on register. Now that you've created your account, let's continue. So to play Mostbet game in Nepal, all you have to do is click on your menu after creating your account in Nepal. You're going to scroll down to where you have sport. You see there is pre-game option here. So you click on pre-game and then you're going to filter out football or any other game that you want to play. There are football, there's martial art, there is tennis, there's volleyball. But in this case, you want to go for football. Once you choose football, you're going to choose the game you want to play. So for instance, you can choose the game between Sporting and Man City. So you choose the game between Sporting and Manchester City. You can bet on the club to win. So you click on win one, you're betting on Sporting to win, and then you go ahead to outcome and then put in the amount you want to bet. So if you put $10, you can win up to $645, and that's how to play Mostbet game in Nepal.